Most people prompt Claude like they are texting a friend, a quick question, a single sentence, and then they are disappointed when the output is generic. The truth is, there is a specific structure that Claude is designed to respond to. When you use it, the output goes from generic to surgical. This video shows you the prompt structure the top 1% of Claude users actually follow. The structure has 5 parts: context, task constraints, examples, format. Every serious prompt you write should include at least 3 of these. Let me walk through each one. Part 1: Context. Before you ask Claude to do anything, tell it who you are, what you're working on, and what the bigger goal is. 2 or 3 sentences max. For example, if you want Claude to write a marketing email, do not say "write me a marketing email." Instead, say "I run a B2B SaaS tool for small dental practices. We are about to launch a new feature that lets owners see real-time revenue. I want to email our existing 400 customers to announce it." Now Claude knows everything it needs to write a relevant email, instead of a generic one. Part 2: Task. Be specific about exactly what you want Claude to produce, not a vague request, a clear output. Write a 300-word email. Design a marketing campaign with 5 touchpoints. Review this code for security issues and list each one in a table. The more precise the task, the better the output. Vague prompts create vague responses. Part 3: Constraints. This is where most people fail. You need to tell Claude what not to do, what to avoid, what rules it must follow. Do not use marketing buzzwords. Avoid saying revolutionary or game-changing. Keep the tone conversational, must fit inside a standard email length. No emojis. Every constraint you give makes the output sharper, because Claude knows the edges of what is acceptable. Part 4: Examples. This one is the secret weapon. If you can show Claude what good looks like, you dramatically improve the output. Paste 2 or 3 examples of emails you have sent before that performed well. Claude will match their tone, structure, and style. One example raises quality by 50%. 2 examples nearly double it again. This is called few-shot prompting, and it is the most underused technique in the world of prompting. Part 5: Format. Tell Claude exactly how you want the response. Markdown with bullet points. A JSON object with these fields, a table with 3 columns, a single paragraph under 100 words. Specifying format is the difference between output you can use immediately and output you have to clean up. Now, let me show you the structure in action. Here is a bad prompt. Write me a tweet about my new product. 3 words. No context, no constraints. The output will be a generic tweet with hashtags you did not ask for, in a voice that is not yours. Here's the good version. Same request, but using the structure. I'm a solo founder launching a Chrome extension that helps freelancers track their time automatically. My audience on Twitter is other solo founders and small agency owners. Write 3 variations of a launch tweet. Each should be under 250 characters, no emojis, no hashtags. Tone should be direct, slightly contrarian, punchy. Here are 2 example tweets I have posted that did well. Give me 3 variations following this style. The response you get is immediately usable. 3 strong tweet variations that match your voice. No cleanup needed. Let me share one more layer. When the task is really hard, add a reasoning instruction at the end. Think step by step before answering, or list your reasoning first, then the final answer. When Claude reasons explicitly, it catches its own errors midstream and the final output is much stronger. This works on both Claude Desktop and Claude Code. There is also a subtle technique called anti-sycophancy prompting. Claude is trained to be helpful, which sometimes means it agrees with you too easily. If you're making a decision or asking for feedback, tell Claude explicitly push back if you think I'm wrong. Disagree with me if my premise is off. Argue for the opposite position first. This forces Claude to challenge you instead of just supporting you, and the quality of the answer goes up massively. A few common mistakes to avoid. Do not stack too many tasks into one prompt. 1 task per prompt gets the best results. If you have 5 tasks, write 5 prompts. Do not prompt for everything from scratch every time. Use your custom instructions and projects to avoid repeating context, and do not settle for the first response. Follow up with refine this or tighten the tone or cut by 20%. The real magic of Claude is in the back and forth, not the first reply. Here is a checklist to remember. Context sets the scene. Task states the ask constraints sharpen the output. Examples raise the ceiling. Format makes it usable. Reasoning instructions unlock the hard tasks. Anti-sycophancy keeps you honest. Follow-ups polish the result. Master this flow and you're in the top 1% of Claude users. The best part about learning prompt structure is that it transfers. It works on Claude, it works on ChatGPT, it works on Gemini, any serious LLM. The model changes, the structure does not. So tonight, pick 1 task you regularly ask AI to do, write 1 email, summarize 1 doc, review 1 piece of code, rewrite that prompt using this structure, paste it into Claude, watch what changes. Once you see the difference in one use case, you will start using this pattern everywhere. If this helped you, subscribe for weekly AI tutorials. Share this with a friend who keeps saying AI is overrated. They are probably just bad at prompting. This video is the fix. Thanks for watching. Now go write a better prompt.